It's swollen right here, and actually you'll see that clamp is wet, and that's where it was leaking. The rest of it looks good. Well, with the exception of that part there. Alright, we'll get into it. Alright, I was abruptly interrupted earlier. My camera chirped and said it was low battery and went dead. It gave me 0 warning, so I was done. Okay, so we're just gonna get this hose off. Don't worry, I've already drained it, because the other day when it was leaking, I noticed that I wanted to go ahead and get what was in the hose out of it so it wouldn't wind up on the ground. I have animals, and it wouldn't be a good thing. Alright, looks like I need a universal joint. Okay, hang on. Alright, so I'm back. I was abruptly interrupted earlier. My phone chirped, said low battery, and died in that order. I had 0 warning to cut it off or do anything, so I was done. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and we're going to get this hose off and compare it to the new one, make sure it fits. Should be plenty. And come over here to this one. I like to use a long extension and a universal joint on these hose clamps. Works a lot better than a screwdriver. A whole lot better. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. Yeah, let's get this one off. This is going to be stuck. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I know, it's pretty cruddy. It needs a flush. Again. Alright, so here's the new one. And here's the replacement. Okay, let's turn it around then. I don't know about you, but this isn't looking good. Well, maybe. Maybe. I don't know. We'll find out. I understand the big differences, but I don't know. It's just not... I'm not completely sold on it. Okay, well, let's give it a try. We're only going to find out no other way anyway. Alright, so I'm here like this. You see it's short. Okay, so let's turn it over. Well, it kind of fits like this. It's not quite big enough to make it over this housing. Okay, well, let's force feed it. Okay, so it goes like that. Evidently that is how it runs now. Slightly different shaped. Okay, I can do that. At least it's not interfering, and I can take this little retainer off now. Okay, we'll just go with that then. Okay, so this would be like the 94 up style. Okay, I got it. Okay, that would definitely work. A little different, but nothing wrong with that. Different is good. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to take it back apart, put the clamps on it, then put it back together. Alright, I'll pull it apart. Yeah, for those of you saying you need to flush it, yeah, I know, I've flushed it several times. In fact, I flush it once a year. I flushed it sometimes twice. It's just cruddy. and I'll probably flush it again here in a few weeks because I got to do a whole service on it. It needs an oil change, everything, so I'll probably do it again. But anyway. Some background racket going on. I'm not hearing it at the moment. I have people down the road that are setting fence posts. I guess it's going to work out better anyway. Oh, there we go. I hear it now. I'm using a post driver. I've used those before. Probably a nut driver would have worked better in this case. That's all right. Alright, we're back together. Now we'll do a little refill, and I'm going to pull that little keeper off of it. We should be good. It's thirsty. Well, there's no telling how long I drove it with that hole in the upper hose. There we go. Alright, now we're going to pull this little keeper off, this little bracket. That's something I added actually. And my dad bought this truck in 2004. Well, shoot. Okay, well I got to get a little bit and a little wrench, and I'll be back for that one. It was just one of those things I never used that often. Oh, the post's going in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and check the level one more time. We'll start it and let it get up to running temperature and go from there. Here, and we're going to check it for leaks to make sure the hose is not swollen. Alright, so that about takes care of this video. Yeah, it's a little wet right there. I gotta fix that. That's the main trouble point, but anyway. Alright, so That's one thing that's out of the way. I kind of like that better anyway. Of course, it should have something. Nope, it just barely clears right there. That's all that matters. Okay. Well, anyway, I like that better anyway. Well, until next time, thanks for watching and hope you all have a great weekend.